I'll try to take you at the top of the waterfall. It's little steep. Let me show you how Daksh is going. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is your host Akash Kapoor bringing you another video. Well, today we are going to go to a waterfall which is very near to the city. So you don't have to drive like for hundreds of kilometers. It's very near. So we'll go and check this out. Be with me for the rest of the video. Let's go. Thotikalu Falls is popularly known as TK Falls. It is also known as Swarnmukhi Waterfalls. Swarnmukhi translates as golden faced. Well, the distance from my place to the falls is around 35 kilometers. It is around 1 hour drive. And if you are near Bannerghatta area, it may be 10 to 12 kilometers from your place. The last few kilometers to the falls, once you leave the highway, it appears as if you are in a hilly terrain and it's all green all around. The Thotikalu Falls are just 2 kilometers from here, and on the way we found a water body, so we thought we'll just explore the place. Daksh wanted to climb up first and check out how the place is, so he's just going up now. Wow, this looks really nice. Let me take the camera around and show you. There's a lot of greenery around this lake. In the center, I see some birds. I don't know if the camera is able to catch it. And these are some way to the lake. Let me see if I can go in there. The view from here looks even better. After a brief stop, we started our journey to the waterfall. It's around 2 kilometers, so we'll be covering it pretty fast. I'm on the way to waterfall. Well, there are a lot of people here. I was thinking that it'll be us and some more people, but I see a lot of people. There are some snacks as well, pani puri, and then some fruit chaat, and then they have sugarcane juice, etc. So let's keep going. There are a few stalls on the way to waterfall. One can actually give a short halt and grab something real quick. After seeing so many food stalls, Daksh also started to feel hungry, so we thought of actually giving it a short break. Time to eat bhutta now. Huh? Daksh really enjoyed the corn. Well, kids can also enjoy the horse ride here. So there are plenty of things actually as we go near to the waterfall. This is the entry to TK Falls or Thotikalu Falls. There is no entry fee to the falls. It belongs to Karnataka Forest Department and is considered as an elephant corridor. Once you enter, there is a temple here. Okay, we have to do a trekking. It's a short trek. I believe. There's a well here too. Well, needs cleaning. Not good at all. So one has to pass through the forest. I can hear the sound of a lot of people now. It seems it's not a long trek. Oh, that looks like a place in a Hollywood movie where a jungle scene is shot. It's a nice track so far through the forest. Let's see how long we have to go like this. Oh, this is good. This is nice, not far from Bangalore. Okay, here is another one. As one approaches near the waterfall, one can see a lot of people actually enjoying the water, taking pictures, and there are certain people who have come here for a picnic too because it's not far. And now here is Daksh. After seeing so many people sitting on the stones in the water, he wanted to try it too. Finally, after entering the waterfall area, visiting a temple, and then trekking through the forest, we reached the waterfall. There are a lot of people here, but the water flow is not that much. I believe when it rains there might be more water. Daksh too wanted to try, go in and check the water out. We saw some people on the top of the rock where the water was coming from, so we also decided, let's go and check this out. I try to take you at the top of the waterfall. It's little steep. Let me show you how Daksh is going. Keep going. Some more distance to go. Finally, after a steep track, we reached the top of the rocky hill. Rocks are slippery. I cannot go further down. But you can see there are people around taking bath in the waterfall. Although the water is pretty less. I believe the day it rains, they might be having more water. But I'm not sure if you can come up here the day it rains because it's going to be really slippery here. But I'm enjoying the view from here. Really nice. And here is the rocky hill. So me and Daksh thought we'll just take a break. So Daksh, how was it?
It was very steep.
It was steep to come up?
Yeah,
And how is the waterfall?
very less.
The water is less
Yeah,
and it's too bright here. But the view is pretty nice, isn't it?
yeah,
Right. Did you enjoy the trip?
yeah.
Nice. Very nice. After enjoying some time at the top of the rocky hill and enjoying the sunshine as well, we descended down and thought of spending some time across the water in the forest. I believe it's worth to come at least once to this place and check it out. Well, the water in the waterfall is not much, and the track is good actually. It's a lung opener, and I'm kind of breathless right now. But I enjoyed actually, and so did Daksh on this small track. And in fact, it's not far from Bangalore. From my place, it's like 35 kilometers, and if you're living in Bannerghatta area, this may be like 10 to 12 kilometers from there. So I hope you enjoyed it, and do subscribe, and put any comments you like about the video, or anything in general you want to put in. I'll keep bringing you more videos. Do like, share. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. We will start a Coastal Karnataka series from next video onwards. Here are some of the glimpses from the trip. Please do subscribe and check out the entire series.